What are those? Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hello.
We are in Tomorrowland because, as you can see behind us, some weird things are happening.
Just progress.
So I just want to walk around Tomorrowland, talk about like what I feel like there's like a hidden renovation that's like happening
right now.
We kind of like been hinting at it. We thought it was going to be announced during D23. Everyone thought there was going to be Tomorrowland renovation, but like little things are happening like every couple days, and we're like, what the heck is going on?
Are these going to be fountains or planters? I would like to know.
So yeah, obviously last time we were here covering things, we were talking about the new paint on the wall, and then just a couple days ago, these popped up. And no one knows what they are yet. They could be fountains, they could be planters.
I really hope it's fountains.
It'd be really cool if it was a fountain.
Just like old Tomorrowland, these were fountains.
Yes. Yeah, there's a lot of talk about a retro version of Tomorrowland coming back.
I'm down with it. It was fun back then. I'm sure it'll be fun now.
Honestly, I never grew up with Disneyland's Tomorrowland. Walt Disney World was always my like main park. And my favorite thing about Walt Disney World's Tomorrowland was the metal palm trees because it was like Florida,
so
but also like
it was hot all the time.
but also like futuristic kind of. It's like futuristic Florida. But yeah, I would love to see something happen here. Obviously, we have the old Rocket Rods track that's here.
Or people mover.
Earlier last year, they got rid of the rocks over there. That kind of like opened it up a little more. That's the problem with this Tomorrowland, is it's so condensed.
You can fit it in this.
Compared to Walt Disney World, especially.
Yes.
And the traffic flow is just awful.
It's like actual traffic, like one way only.
So we don't know, I don't even know how they would fix the traffic problem because the two buildings are major rides.
That's it.
But yeah, I feel like just opening, like taking down the Rocket Rod tracks would just like open even the airspace up more. But let's check out the rest of Tomorrowland and what else could be happening. Basically, I feel like there's a lot of wasted space in Tomorrowland. I just want to talk about how maybe it could be updated,
an expansion,
or just like renovated,
or used wisely.
Let's talk about it. As we already mentioned, the middle of what used to be Rocket Rods is basically carts around the perimeter, face painting, and a gift shop kind of in the middle of it.
Kind of. Where the exit used to be.
Listen, nothing says Tomorrowland more like getting your face painted.
Yeah, Star Wars.
As Star Wars characters. I've already mentioned this on my last video too, but the Tomorrowland Theater is just, you know, sneak peeks for movies, and yep, that's about it.
Do you think there's fast passes?
Then of course you have the wonderful Starcade, which has been closed forever and just used for special events, so now it's just basically a logo. Perfect, great. The fact that there's a whole like wasted space right here that's like not in use. I feel like only anytime this is in use is for hard ticket. I think they opened it for 80s and 90s night, and I think this is where the Tron Museum was.
Oh, a Tron Museum.
Yeah, did
I miss that?
Yeah, they had props from Tron. But yeah, there's nothing happens. I think the last time I was in here was...
Mine was during Galaxy's Edge when we were all getting our wristbands.
Yeah.
This was like their guest relations with them here.
I even remember the actual 60th when they gave out like cupcakes. Do you remember that?
Oh, yes.
I feel like they gave out cupcakes.
I remember
here.
the cupcakes. Those were so good.
Yep. Great.
Fantastic.
Waste of space. Then you have Launch Bay, the most redundant thing in the entire park.
It's confusing for people in the park because they come over here and they're like, oh, is this Galaxy's Edge? And I'm like, no, babe, it's like Launch Bay where you meet Star Wars characters.
Launch Bay was great until Galaxy's Edge opened. Then it just became redundant as hell because anything and everything you can do in Launch Bay, which is basically just meet Chewie and Kylo Ren, you can do in Galaxy's Edge in a more immersive atmosphere too. It's a complete waste of a building. It's a complete waste of space. Why hasn't it changed yet?
Bring an attraction here that is space related.
They can do so much. See, the thing is, there was a clip in the Imagineering story. I don't remember if it was the second to last episode or the last episode. It's just B-roll footage of like Joe Rohde just talking about things in Imagineering. And it was him just standing over a model of what I think looked exactly like Launch Bay / Innovations. I still call it the Innovations building.
See, that Innovations was fun. That one was good.
Yeah, it's fine. But like, I don't know if that means anything's happening to it or if it was just B-roll, because I know Joe Rohde's working on the new Disney Cruise Line Island. But like,
I mean,
why is it there? Come on.
Yeah.
Let's do something. Let's do something. Disney Imagineering. Let's do something. And even in Launch Bay, it's only the bottom floor. There is a top floor that is entirely not in use.
That was Galaxy's Edge opening day merch upstairs.
Nothing. I only love the free gaming section in Disneyland. Highly recommend. Half of them do not work.
Oh, I see what I see.
Here we also have the part of Launch Bay where you play Star Wars versions of Angry Birds.
That's crazy. Okay.
Hello. And don't get me started on the Tomorrowland stage, because basically, I guess it's a Captain Phasma meet and greet now.
Captain Phasma. Wow.
You died. But yeah, this is not used for Jedi Training Academy anymore. Basically, it is just dance parties on the weekend.
Weeknights. Yeah.
Weeknight dance parties.
And special events for more dancing.
And more dance parties. This is just dance parties officially here. Again, we don't need it. Maybe I'm being too hard on Tomorrowland, but I am just pushing her presence. I want her to be better. You're like, I believe in you. I know you can be better. This is why I'm so hard on you. I'm like, feel like a teacher. Like trying to push to get better grades.
Like a space godfather.
Yeah, I'm disappointed and mad at you just because I know you can be better.
There you go.
And maybe we're seeing the start of it towards the front.
Just the front though, that's it.
Who knows what could happen?
Let's just hope to the stars in the universe that they pull through.
Maybe after Avengers Campus and the new project is Tomorrowland, we can only hope.
No, all the money's going to Disney World for the 50th anniversary. That's it.
Tomorrowland! That's our little rant. We're done ranting now. But while we're here, they did come out with a new Galaxy parfait at the Galactic Grill, so
you know that means
new things are coming, so we gotta at least
food is consistent.
We knew. Let's go try it. There she is. She is super colorful, very Galaxy-like, very shiny on top. Comes with a little planet, very blue and black. It's gonna turn our mouths blue and black.
I'm ready. Here we go.
Basically, it says chocolate cake, blue cheesecake, which I'm guessing is just flavored normal original cheesecake and colored blue, then some purple mousse, and then raspberry marmalade. There's just a lot going on right here. Here we go. I'm gonna try to like get a little bit of everything. Oh, it's hard to like. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. It's like, there's actually a blueberry and raspberry flavor to it, plus the chocolate cake. It tastes like a bomb cheesecake.
Oh wow. Let's do this. Oh wow. It's so pretty. Like,
I know.
I don't want to eat it. It takes its time to settle.
I liked it.
I think the blueberry was so overpowering for me. I don't know.
Yeah, it's like I guess it is blueberry cheesecake with the marmalade at the bottom. It's very rich too. Like we just had one bite and there's a whole parfait still to eat. I don't know if you guys can see the layers down there, but obviously the top is like the purple gel, like mirror gel. then the blue cheesecake, then a little sliver of chocolate cake, and then the purple mousse way at the bottom there. It's a very fruity parfait, and I was expecting it to be more chocolatey.
Chocolatey, that's what I was expecting too.
I think the layer of chocolate cake is very thin. So it's basically all just like blueberry cheesecake and mousse.
I'd give it like a 3.5 stars.
Instagram-able.
That's all it's worth, right?
Well, that's it. That's just our little take
on the Tomorrowland tea.
Tomorrowland tea.
We poured it.
Let us know what you think these things are behind us.
Still fountain.
And what you'd like to see happen to Tomorrowland. We don't know if it's could just be the beautification of the front, for all we know. But I'd like to think it's a full renovation.
Expansion.
Just do something. There's so much space. I don't even know what to put there. But honestly, like
anything new is fine.
You said
that
surprise
fits the
us.
theme, you know.
Surprise us. Do something. But thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you know when I upload next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and we will see you guys soon.
Bye.